Namibia we are in summer. I just came from winter, from winter. Now we are into summer. Now I'm back here to winter. So I didn't.
We have 4 seasons. Now the fall starting and then December the winter. But the climate is changing. It can be this year, but normally it's a little bit mild.
And I even left my other luggage. I even left my other luggage at the airport. Not here, in Namibia. It was too much. Then I was like, no, they don't need to be shipped.
I'm lucky, but in the ship was only 2 suitcases.
Yeah.
Otherwise you had no space. Yeah, then you had a big car.
Exactly.
But I didn't know it was only 2 suitcases.
Oh.
In the sheet.
So. Wow, it has been long that I have experienced rain. We didn't get so much rain this year.
Yeah, you had no rain
in Namibia.
Yeah?
No, it didn't rain that much.
Oh.
But it was very cold.
Yeah. Spring in the beginning of the summer. There's a hospital.
Is this the hospital?
Yeah.
Cancer Center.
The university.
Look at Deloitte.
Here are a lot of financial companies and IT companies. The expat center, you have to go there, I think.
Yes.
It's here on the left hand side, the World Trade Center.
Yeah.
And the ABN AMRO Bank is here on the right hand side.
Oh, I only heard that name. I read it somewhere. This is massive. It's my first time, sorry.
Yeah.
It's my first time. Wow. This is beautiful. I can't even capture the whole thing because my screen.
Yeah.
So basically this is where I'm staying for my temporary accommodation until I find my apartment. This is where I'm staying. How it slipped.
Trying to figure out how the love actually works. I have my access card to my room, but I forgot to swipe it at the lights that I completed there. So now I'm pressing number 2 and I noticed that the love nothing is happening. So I keep on pressing number 2 but the thing just deactivates. Seriously, it was a hustle. And you know what, I'm tired, 11 hours on the flight and I'm pressing the number and nothing is happening.
Please
took me a while. I thought I actually figured it out before I can go to the next destination. Oh my goodness. You know, the concentration level is just so low because you are just tired. You just want to go into the food bath and it has been a long journey. Oh my gosh, I finally managed to figure out how the elevator works. I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, now I need to head to my room and look for my room number, which is 204. I have finally made it out of the elevator. Oh my gosh, such embarrassment. But you know what? Everybody has flaws. I won't just show you the good part, but also the bad part. So that's my room.
The view, bro. I'm gonna swipe my card. This is how my room looks like. I need to pull my bag and give you a quick room tour on how it looks. So this is my bedroom in Amsterdam, Huis in Trapo Hotel. So this is basically my luggages. I just arrived right now. My view. And that is the door and my luggage. My kitchen. I'm gonna stay here for a month. My sitting room. Yeah. And this is my view. I'm so exhausted.
Oh my gosh. Woo. This apartment looks beautiful. It goes beyond explanation. Just imagine that the lights are not yet on. That is just nature lights. And it looks like it looks like that. Huh? I don't know, but I didn't grow up seeing this type of thing. So to me, it's 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 a blessing. I don't even have the words to describe it. I mean, all that for me. Just look. So that's where my luggages are. And that is my view. So that is me in the mirror in my kitchen. Wow, this looks beautiful. Beautiful. And that is my bathroom. So this is just a highlight. Just look at the deco. Because right now I'm a little bit tired. I can't explain everything, but I have a more detailed view about this. So that is where my clothes.